it all started 9 years ago, where we had community organisations, individuals come here, and we involved them in a community planning day to see what their vision was for the marae, where they wanted to see it going. From that, one of the strands that came out was the provision of housing on the marae.
I'm excited that we're able to provide this opportunity to have six cohorts out, 6 different families. It embodies what their dreams and aspirations were perfectly. The marae is supposed to be a safe place where everything is carried out. It's a hospital, it's an education arm, it's a housing arm, it's a place where tamariki can come and have some sport and have some fun. It's an everything. To be able to provide them with the wraparound services and to provide them with a brand new home.
I was a bit nervous when I first found out where it was, because, you know, a marae is a pretty sacred place, yeah. But when I came here and got pōwhiri on, and yeah, it just made me feel like I had a whole new family, especially to have the support I've got for my kids, because all of this is for them. Yeah.
We live in this beautiful home. We feel really privileged that we had a chance to put our name down, and lucky enough to get it. We've only been here 5 weeks, but I feel as though I've been here longer. I've got 2 children and 2 beautiful granddaughters. We're so proud of them. At first they weren't too certain about the area, but they moved us in and they love it here, and they said they can see a big difference between their paua and taua.
Having my moko full time was a bit hard, but living on site, it's managed a lot easier. There's lots of support on site, and we have quite a few kids that go to his kura at Te Pā, so we actually do a bit of carpooling for the pickups and drop-offs, so it works in really well. We're trying to build that community feel, that communal living, and be a village.
There's 6 3-bedroom houses on approximately 4,000 square metres of land. The build included all the infrastructure and services. What went the best is that we've nearly achieved our goal and providing housing for the community to make the community better off and to help people. All going well, we'll be able to build more in the near future.